So here we are on the Trackmatic tutorial for reporting. If we click on the reporting tab on the left hand side, you'll see a list of already existing reports which are set up, so you can run them for last week, today or what have you. But we want to go for a scheduled report today, so it's a customized report. So in this case you click the new tab at the top. We want to then name the tab, so let's call this the overspeeding report, or actually let's call this a weekly management report. So in this case we'll combine all reports on one email rather than loads of different emails. I want to send it to myself, and I want to start it from Monday the 26th at 8 AM. So don't forget, this is when it's or 9 AM. This is when the reporting starts, and I want it to report to me weekly on a Monday morning. Okay, so it's going to send the report to me every Monday morning, and that's my quietest time for me is 9 o'clock. So we will then, once we click save, select I want to be emailed, select the user. You can select other users or as many users as you want, or someone in a specific role, whatever you have set up in the system. This doesn't cost extra. You can have different people getting different bits of information, and then it will bring up the tab at the bottom which allows you to choose the report. In this case we're going to choose for the first part of our report, we're going to choose let's see, we'll choose an alert. So any time that the vehicle's been speeding or we've been alerted. So another section comes up within the alert. So we're going to select it as PDF, but you can have CSV, XML, Excel, etc., etc. We'll have PDF. The parameters are what the date range for those specific alerts we want in this report. So the last 7 days I'm going to put, or we can customize it. And who do we want? We're going to have any vehicle in this case, or you can have specific vehicle, or you can have specific groups. So we're going to have specific vehicles, and then we want to select, we're going to have any vehicle, and then we want to select what type of alert that we want to be notified of. So we want to, and this every time we've had an excessive idle above, let's say 10 minutes or whatever we decide to set. And then all you do is you click save again at the top, and then you can add more to that report if you want another report. So we could add another section of reporting here, which is zone report. So when everyone has ever gone into a geofence or left a geofence or a customer's location. So a geofence, don't forget, is a fence, a virtual fence that we draw around a location like a customer's or a point of delivery or whatever it be. So we're going to select, we want to be notified of arrival time, departure, duration they're in a geofence, distance, etc., etc. And then again save, click the parameters, so parameters last 7 days, or we can customize it again, whatever we want. So we'll pick the last 7 days just for ease of showing you. And then again, our asset filter, so do we want a specific driver or a specific vehicle, and which zones do we want? Anyone with a no-go area or a location, or again a specific location. In this case we'll choose all locations, and then you click save, and that is it. That is setting up a report or a scheduled report. And the menu, the root menu as we call it, pretty much is the same for every single report that you do within the system. Once you select one item, another one comes at the bottom. But that is it. You can see there that the report now will come every Monday. So click back on the root menu schedule reports, and you'll see it there. Every Monday it will be delivered to us automatically with all the information. Thank you very much.